If you click on the solids library, you see a list of materials with predefined properties. These materials are ready to be used. However, if you don't find the material you are looking for, you can add your own custom material by clicking the Add Material button in the top right corner. Here, you first need to enter the material name, and let's for example call it Custom Steel. If you want, you can also add the description. Next, for solids, three properties need to be defined: the density, the specific heat capacity, and the conductivity of the material. The conductivity can be specified as a constant isotropic value by just entering it in the available box, or it can be specified as an anisotropic value, for which you have to specify the value of the conductivity in the X, Y, and Z direction. Optionally, if you have a region with a transparent solid, it is possible to enable radiation. In this case, you can also set an absorption coefficient, which represents the attenuation of the radiation intensity. When you are done entering the material properties, you can click the Add Material button and a new material will be created. From now on, it's available in the solids library and it can be used.